You, young one, you nearly thwarted my destiny! Ah! Duke! Ah! Die, arrogant Earth scum! Ah! No!
Duke?
He took the snake meant for your heart, but his sacrifice will be in vain. This I command!
General Hawk, bad news. So Pintor got the BET and Duke is seriously injured.
See to him! I'm coming in!
How is he, Scarlet?
Not good.
I guess I can't look out for you anymore, kid. Don't say that, Duke. Doc will fix you up. This isn't Doc's day for miracles. It's my own fault. Oh, too slow. No, no. You did it to save me. Promise me you'll try to get your act together. Be a credit to your country. I'll make you proud. You'll see. Yo, Joe.
Duke.
Falcon, don't worry. We'll do everything we can for Duke.
Yo, Joe.